First off, it's middle of May and it's cold and I hate it. I'm miserable. So today I'm going to make a DIY partition for the trunk of my Z06. This application can be used in either Z06 or an FRC, non-Z06. Online, they're all like 150 bucks. It seems pretty simple, just a piece of MDF or foam board. So why not just run to Lowe's and see if I can put one together and save a few bucks and hopefully help someone else out there too. So yeah, let's go to Lowe's and get what we need, and we'll be back with all the supplies. And just like that, we're back from Lowe's. So I think I got everything I need to do this project. It seems pretty straightforward. I got a piece of MDF, 3/4 inch wide. Oh no, 1/2 inch wide. I got 2 tubes of liquid nails, carpeting, and some sort of gasket sealant material. All this together was roughly, geez, I don't know, 45 bucks. So not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do each step, tell you what I'm gonna do, and then report back, let you know how it goes. The schematics for this exact piece can be found on Google. I'll put a picture here and a link below. So it seems pretty straightforward. The carpet I got is like a dark charcoal. It's not quite black, but considering somebody behind you and in the trunk, it shouldn't make too much of a difference. I'm mainly doing this because there's a lot of road noise and exhaust noise coming from behind me, and it's kind of annoying. I had some exhaust leaks, which I already rectified with some fan clamps and some epoxy wrap, which I highly recommend for exhaust leaks. I had 6 total clamp locations between the cats and the X-pipe, so it's kind of ridiculous, and every single one of them was leaking pretty bad. So after I got those rectified, it sounded much quieter from the engine compartment, but behind me the road noise and the exhaust was kind of irritating. So I'm going to try this, and hopefully it'll deaden a lot of the sound. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I got to cut down to the basic dimensions, shape, length, and width. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing up the correct dimensions and use my jigsaw and cut it up. Alright, I pretty much got all the lines drawn out. I'm going to be pretty conservative with my first cut for fitment. I was able to use that diagram for a lot of good reference points. It's hard to see, but if you follow the diagram closely, you can find all the certain angles, center lines to make it work. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, put it in the car, and see how she fits. Alright, there you go. MDF is super easy to cut, just heads up. So yeah, I was a little conservative with my cuts, left myself a little bit of room, so I'm going to go ahead and dry fit it and make any cuts if necessary, and we'll go from there. Alright, a couple little adjustments, and it's in there pretty snug. You put the bottom in first and you kind of tilt it back, and it kind of holds itself in place. Once you get carpet and the gasket around it, it should stick pretty well. And I might do some Velcro on the corners too, just for extra protection. Alright, next step. Alright, so a quick update. I took the carpet I had, it's 5 foot long. I cut it right in half so I could use it on both sides. I laid one side down, I traced it with a razor, cut super easy. Put a couple 3M stickies to keep it down, and use liquid nails, and it's adhering very quickly, very well. I'm going to flip it over, do the same thing, and then I'll be ready for the gasket around the edges. Also, my previous owner, I guess, thought it was cool to put this back here on the bumper. It's pretty stupid. So I'm going to remove it. Got my heat gun. I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to put it in the middle of my new partition. So I don't know. It might look good. If it looks stupid, I'll just take it off. Alright, got that off pretty easily. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of a discoloration there. Also, taking off any kind of adhesive, WD-40 is an awesome pro tip. There it is, done. Not terrible. You're not going to see it too much. It was pretty easy little project to do, no hiccups. And once it's in, I'm going to go ahead and fasten this guy in the middle, make it look a little OE, and I'll take it for a drive and let you guys know what I think. Alright, got her all in. Here it is from the back. Actually, doesn't look too bad from the back. It looks a lot lighter in the video. So yeah, I'll meet you guys from the front. see it too well. But yeah, there she is. Not too bad for an hour and 20 minutes and $40-something. So yeah, I'll take it for a ride and let you guys know what I think. Alright, so I'm driving this thing one-handed here. Super quiet compared to before. I can actually hear myself think. Keep in mind, this is with headers, high flow cats, and of course extreme. After reinforcing the clamps at the exhaust and doing the partition, it is very, very bearable in here now. You can actually have a conversation with someone, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so I definitely recommend this modification. Either make one yourself or just buying the one on eBay or whatever. So I hope this video helps someone that was looking to do this. And yeah, take care guys. Have a good weekend.